Hello everyone, I am Harsh Patel. Today I deliver a presentation on hard disk drive, which is in microprocessor and computer organization, which was guided by Jaina Patel ma'am and Professor Ritesh sir. Now we start with our presentation by the introduction. From the introduction, so what is the hard disk is? The hard disk HDD is a data storage device which is used to store a data and retrieve the digital information using rapidly on a rotation disk, which is coated with some magnetic material. And HDD retains in a data even when a powder off. And data can be stored or retrieved in any other or rather than the sequentially. So this is the main components for HDD. So first is a displater, which is very important. So second stepper motor, then spindle motor, read and write head, and the last one is arm. So as we've seen, this is the overview of the hard disk, and the disk is the main component of the hard disk, which is made up of a magnetic material. Now we see step by step all components of HDD. So first is the displater. The displater is the made up of a magnetic material, as I have seen previous. In the flat disk part of the drive, the data is stored in the platter, and each set of magnetic particles is a collection of unit called a bit. Then second one is a stepper motor. So we can use the stepper motor to read and write the position. And the stepper motor usually use the plus 12 volt power, but some new lower power drives are plus 5 volt power source. Now talking about the spindle motor. So spindle motor is the main motor, and the motor rotates at the speed of the 3600 to 10,000 rpm, and it controls the plater. All the plater moves in the same direction. Fourth one is the read and write head. So driver plater is the head reads and write the information. The head write magnetic information on the plater. As we seen this construction of the hard drive structure, this red part, this red part is a track, and this blue and this small blue part is the sector, and the sector of the track is nothing but in a blue part the red part is there, and D is the cluster, the green part, and the last one is the head arm, which yeah, the head arm is used for a read and to write an operation. And the disk drive, the first one is a track, sector, then cylinder or a sector of a track, then storage or a cluster, as we seen in a previous slide. Now talking about the disk structure. So track is the HDD is divided into the number of concentric circle, and in short, circular path in a sector is called a track. And sector is the storage data area in a one track multiple divided into the multiple blocks. Each sector contain 512 bytes of the data. Now talking about the cylinder and storage capacity. Cylinder is a set of corresponding track in all side of the hard disk, and the storage capacity is equal to the n number of the cylinder into a tracks, and per cylinder into sector per tracks into bytes per sector. From this we can find and calculate the storage capacity using this formula. Now talking about some file system which is in a HDD. So first is the file allocation table. It is not a security. It's the maximum size is 32 GB Partition size, and it does not support the data compression and disk quota. Windows operating system conformability is the 9598.ms-DOS. The second file system in HDD is the NTFS, New Technology File System. It is a security, and about 1 TB partition sizes of that. And data compression is supported, and disk quota is also. And this technology is used Windows operating system conformability about 2000 XP and Vista Windows 7. This is the conclusion of hard disk. So all we know that hard disk has the revolutionized the digital age, and it is most widely used technology for storage of our information and data. Every modern hard drive is the perfect capable of handling our everyday data, and most drive perform well enough to support everything you want to do today. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.